Open both doors of the refrigerator. Locate and remove the lower drawers at the bottom of the refrigerator and set them aside. At the bottom of the glass shelf, find the locking clips on the left and right side. Pull the clips in to unlock the shelf, then pull the shelf towards you to remove it. Insert the new glass shelf on the top of the rails. Align the middle locking clip with the hole in the middle guide rail. Push the shelf towards the back of the refrigerator until the locking clip snaps into place in the middle, right and left sides. Reinstall the drawers by aligning their wheels with the guide rails. Push the drawers towards the back of the refrigerator.